We know that a pair of linear equations which can be expressed by a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, where a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 are constant coefficients, x and y are the variables. Then they represents a pair of straight lines which may be parallel lines, intersecting lines, or coincident lines. It all depends on these coefficients. If the ratio of the coefficients a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then those pair of linear equations represents coincident lines. Whereas if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but doesn't equal to c1 by c2, then those pair of linear equations represents parallel lines. And if a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2, then those linear equations represents intersecting lines. For a given pair of linear equations, we also want to know what are the solution of a linear equation. Now the values of x and y which satisfy both the equations simultaneously are called the solutions of a given pair of linear equations. If a given pair of linear equations has a solution, then we say that it is a consistent pair of linear equations. Whereas if a given pair of linear equations has no solution, then we say that it is a given pair of inconsistent linear equation. If the given pair of linear equations represents parallel lines, then it has no solution, since the two lines doesn't meet each other at any point. Whereas if a pair of linear equations represents intersecting lines, then it has a unique solution, since the two lines meet each other at only one point. And if a given pair of linear equations represents coincident lines, then we have an infinite number of solutions, since the two lines are always contact with each other. So those are the solutions of a given pair of linear equations. A given pair of linear equations can be solved by using three different methods. The first one is the substitution method. The second one is the elimination method. And the third one is the cross multiplication method. And stay tuned until the next video. We are going to solve each and every example using separately all these three methods. Thank you for watching. God bless you and stay safe.